No need to make a waterproof bathroom. I'm going to show you today. Prefabricated bathroom. Wall installation steps. Install the first step, base plate leveling. Install the second step, to assemble the wall panel. Install the third step, to install the buckle. The fourth step is to install the wall panels. Step 5. Seam installation inferior corner strip. Step 6. Install the metal frame. Prepare for later glass installation. Step 7. Install the roof. The 8th step is to install the water inlet pipe. Now our overall framework has been installed. When bathroom toilet is installed, it's okay to use.